In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account code in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right details so your reporting stays clean and consistent. First, open Xero and sign into your organization. Make sure you have the right user permissions to work with the chart of accounts. Typically, you'll need advisor access or similar. Starting on the main dashboard keeps things simple. From the top navigation, click on Accounting. This is your hub for day-to-day financial tools and settings. In the drop-down, select Chart of Accounts. Here you'll see the full list of accounts your organization uses to categorize transactions. Before adding anything new, it's a good idea to scan or search to make sure a similar account doesn't already exist. Duplicate accounts can make reporting harder to read. Next, select Add Account. This opens the form where you'll create the new account. You'll begin by choosing the appropriate account type, such as asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expense. Picking the correct type is important because it determines where the account appears in your reports and how balances behave. Now enter the account code and the rest of the details. For the code, use a unique logical number that fits your organization's numbering scheme. Many teams use 3 or 4 digits, grouping similar accounts together. For example, keep all revenue codes in one range and all expense codes in another. Xero won't allow duplicate codes, so if you see an error, pick an unused number. Add a clear, concise account name so colleagues can recognize it instantly, and include a short description if extra context will help others choose the right account when coding transactions. If your region uses default tax rates on accounts, select the appropriate tax setting here so transactions inherit the correct treatment automatically. Review any optional settings your organization relies on, and keep consistency with existing accounts. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will return you to the chart of accounts, and your new account should appear with its code and name in the correct category. If something doesn't look as expected, open the account again to adjust the name, description, or tax settings. While you can often refine details later, it's best to plan your code structure up front to avoid confusion in historical reports. That's it. Go to Xero, open Accounting, choose Chart of Accounts, click Add Account, fill in the code and details, and save. With a clear structure, your coding stays accurate and your reports stay easy to trust.